Hi there. I have a Olympus pen here. It's great for vlogging and it has a screen that folds under the camera. And this is great because when you look into the camera you can see yourself easily from here. But if it's in the top or on the side, then the viewer can actually see that you're not looking inside to the lens. But here, when you look inside the lens, especially if the camera is a little bit above you, you can still monitor yourself and see yourself a lot better. But the problem with this is that the tripod mount is under here. It's impossible to put this on the tripod. It blocks that you can't do it. I came up with the solution and I will show you how it goes. We have the hot shoe mount here, which we can use. So we can hang the camera with the tripod. And what we need is some kind of a rod or a plate, a NATO plate, what they call this. And this has the tripod mount screws here. It's two different sizes, the bigger one and the smaller one. This can be found in different photographic stores. I put a few links below the video so you can find it. And then you need some kind of a tripod. And I have a Dörr tripod. This is the Racer CR1440 carbon. And it folds into a very small package, so you can take this with you easily. And it's bigger than a small table thing, which you can use also with this method. But first of all, we have this Arca switch plate, which goes on top of this ball head here. And first we attach this. Come on, I'm clumsy. First we attach this to the rod so that we have one of these. Then I have a small ball head which has a mount that goes nicely here. We mount this on the other end, and then what we do, we place this here, and then we simply hang our okay, we have got to do this first. Take this out and then we hang it like this. And we tighten it, and then we have actually two ways to control this. We have this here, we can mount it there, or then we have a small ball head here. And then voila, we all set to vlog. And then when we look straight into here, we can see the LCD screen here. And one note that this has to be sturdy enough, so a small Gorilla Pod won't be sturdy enough, but the small travel tripod, as I mentioned, is really good for this. And then there's also different kinds of things that you can mount them in. This is actually made for microphones, and so you could actually mount this anywhere and then have the camera there. Let's try how it looks. This could be a tree or whatever. We have got to take this out. We gotta take this out, and then we'll take that so that there won't be any harm on that. We take that out. We can screw this on, and then we can screw this, and this can be turned anyway, and then we just open this, and then we can put it here. And as you can see, you can stick this to any pole, tree, very sturdy. But I think this is a very clever way. And then this is a perfect setup for vlogging. And this is what it looks like, the whole thing. And then this is what it looks like. And actually this can be done handheld. Let's move that away. You can, handheld this with the new PL9, which has a very good a stabilizer in the sensor, so you can vlog like this. This could be quite handy to do vlog like this, and as you can see, it's pretty cool. But hey, this was a Olympus tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and put some links down to the descriptions to show me how you have done or solved the problem with the screen that folds under your Olympus pen. But we'll see you next time. Bye for now.